Okay, maybe hopefully with this you'll be able to see Alright, so here we go. We're at almost 4 quarts of oil. Stick in 2. Alright, that's just 1 quart. And sunny. What the heck? Let's so you can see if it's coming off the oil filter. That's what we got in there. It's real airy. Get it. Alright, let's get the level. Go ahead and add some more. But you know, a bunch would come out and then I'll loosen that up. So. Does anybody know why that's so foamy? I don't get it. I don't like that. But it is full. Let's just start it up. Let it run, warm up. We're going to try to cut open the old oil filter. Actually, let me get some paper towels because I know this is going to leak all over the place. I really don't want to do this, but I kind of need to know and make sure that all those big chunks of metal and stuff were isolated to that oil reserve tank, or that oil tank. So that's what I'm going to do basically, is just run it through here. And all I want to do is just get past this metal part, so hopefully I won't cut myself. If I cut this off, I know there's going to be metal flakes up here from whenever we cut it off, but I want to look inside the paper part of it. Get this on. Down inside. Down in there is where I'm concerned about. But I don't really see anything. Oh, there's one flake up there. I don't know if that's picking up. Oh, this thing's leaking again. Okay. Wow, what a pain in the butt. So that goes in like that with each other, comes up. So you're left with this part. And unfortunately, for me, anyways, down inside there's some gunk. But I guess if it's on one side and it's not on the other, that's good, right? That means it filtered it. Right? I'm grasping for straws. I don't know what glue they use, but man, that's good. So, yeah, that right there is just fiber. Little tiny chunks. Okay. Well, there you go. That's what you look for whenever you split open a filter. I also got, after we do a couple of changes, oil changes, and that looks not bad. I hope this is turning out. I can't tell. But after I do a couple of oil changes, I'm going to have the oil sent off and analyzed and get it done. So for like 25 bucks. So figure that'll be a good investment to let me know if I'm going to have to save up for a new engine rebuild, or if I'll be good from here. See, since this is a clean side, there's some, well, I thought that was some grime, but I guess that's just the, anyways, long story short, the oil filter did what it's supposed to, looks like. I mean, there might be some minute stuff which could kind of act like sandpaper kind of stuff, but keep up on the oil changing, and that should stop the wear down and stuff. So, alright, well, wife said dinner's done. That's music to my ears. And the bike wasn't running just right. I don't know if I just need to tune that carburetor, because I pulled the plug and the plug looked like it was running just a little bit rich. It was just a little bit. It was on the darker side of the tan. You know what I'm saying? It was I guess it was a little close to between dark tan and black. How about that? So maybe one of the jets or something was clogged up or something. But I'm giving you a hug. Oops. So there you go. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. If y'all got any requests, hey, if you got any tips, hints, what I should do, let me know. Other than tearing down the engine and redoing it. But, yeah, let me know. Thanks for watching. See ya.